What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create Facebook call to action button in Facebook ads. So let's get started. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in Facebook or facebook.com. After that, you'll be redirected to the login or sign up page of Facebook, wherein if you are new to Facebook, just simply click on sign up and then sign up with your email, password, and other credentials to create your new Facebook account. But if you already have a Facebook account, simply click on login and you will be automatically logged in to the homepage of Facebook. Now, after signing up or logging in, on the right side at the top, you can see this waffle-like icon, which is the menu icon. Click on this and then click on this ads section. Now, after clicking on the ads section in the new tab, the ads, Facebook ads will open, wherein you just need to make sure that the campaign section is selected. And after that, click on this create option here on the left side and choose the campaign objective that you want. For example, I want sales. After choosing, click on continue. And after that, a new page will open wherein you no longer need to choose the campaign setup, where you will be redirected to the setup campaign page. From here, you need to give the template name, or you can create the template of your own. As you can see, I have chosen a pre-built template, and after that, this is the campaign details like buying type and campaign objective. And when I click on show more settings, it says me about the campaign spending limit, so I can even edit it by just clicking on this pencil icon. And after that, here is my budget strategy, like the campaign budget or the ad set budget. I can set it, and then this is my daily budget. And after that, this is the A/B test. If you want to turn it on, you can turn it on. But if you don't want it, you can keep it like this, turned off. And when you are done, simply click on next, which is on the right side. And after that, you need to give the ad set name. And from here, you need to drive sales and conversions on your website. You need to enter your website URL. And after that, you need to choose the dataset and the performance goal. And when you are done setting all these settings, click on next. And after that, you need to give your ad name. And after giving the ad name, you can even turn on the ad preview so it shows the preview of your ad. And after that, you need to connect a Facebook or Instagram account to set up your ad. And you can even create a catalog and drive more sales with Advantage plus catalog ads. You can even tell it to remind me later. And you can choose the creative source like the manual upload or Advantage plus catalog ads. And you can choose the format like flexible format, single image or video, carousel, or collection. And after that, here you need to paste your website URL. And here is the display link. You can even paste the display link if you want. And here are the browser add-ons, like if you want a call, Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, or instant add-on, you can do it. And you can set up the ad creative from here, like image ad or video ad, whatever you like, you can choose from here. And you can even enter the event details, but this is optional. And after that, the tracking details and the URL parameters. And when you are done, simply click on publish and your ad will be then published. And make sure to enter a payment gateway like a debit or credit card, a UPI, or net banking, or whatever you'd like. You can enter this. And when you are done adding your payment gateway, simply click on next and save your payment gateway, and you're ready to create a and you have already created a Facebook call to action button. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.